In this clip, we'll look at complex numbers and how to represent them, how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide them. For purposes of illustration, let's assume A is a negative 12 minus 5i, and we'll let B equal 3 minus 2i. Starting from the home menu, which we arrive at by pressing the home key, we will first begin by starting a new document. So that's option 1. So we select option 1. We'll say no to selecting a previous, or to saving a previous document. So we hit enter. Then we want to add a calculator. So that's option 1, so we'll select 1. The first thing we'll do is define A. So a minus 12 subtract 5, and the way we get I is we type control catalog. And then if you'll notice in the first row, in the third column, we have I, so we can navigate over to that using our navigation pad. Select enter, and then we now have entered a minus 12 minus 5i, which is a complex number. And we can store it in the variable A by going control catalog and selecting the store command. So we'll cursor over to that, hit enter, and then we'll type the variable A where we're going to store it. So now we've entered and stored a minus 12 minus 5i in the variable A. Then we'll go ahead and do the same thing for B, which is 3 minus 2i. So we'll type in 3 minus 2. Then we'll go to second catalog, and we'll select I again by cursing over to the I. Hit enter. So we have 3 minus 2i, so we'll store that. So we get the store operator, and we store that in B. Enter. So now we have both A and B stored. So the first thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and add A plus B. So you simply type A and then plus B, enter, and now we have the result of adding the two together. A minus B, just choose the subtraction operator, so A minus B. And then for multiplication, we go A times B. And then for division, we go A divided by B. And so we've implemented the 4 primary operations on complex numbers. An alternate way of storing in complex numbers is by using the store key, which is a little quicker. So if we were to type in, say, a complex number 4 plus, and then control catalog, and then select I, enter, we could then store it by typing control var, which has the store command above it, and then selecting a variable, say C, enter, and so now our result is stored in the variable C, and we could access it by going C And suppose we wanted to square that complex number. There we have the square of C.